Welcome to devlog number 61. Today we got a lot done, and it actually covers a lot of different topics. So I'll start off with the first one, and that is developmental testing. I am now able to push builds to the flight test app to have people be able to test them. Now they're just waiting for Apple to approve them. Last night I got far enough where I was able to create a testing build of the game. So we had a full testing build run on my phone locally and in the internal testing. But in order to make in-app purchases work, my solution was to actually post the game, obviously not release it, but it's basically like posting a YouTube video and then leaving it as unlisted. So I'm currently in the process of having Apple approve the game so that I can get my in-app purchase approved, so that when I'm testing it, it actually works, where when we go ahead and hit this button, then it will actually do the in-app purchase instead of saying that it's an unrecognized product fisherman. That's at least the hope as to what that error is, because I'm thinking the error is just that in-app purchase is purely just a draft right now. It doesn't actually exist. But once we publish the game and we get that approved, then we'll be able to have an approved in-app purchase that in theory should work in testing. So it's kind of a lot to comprehend there, but basically in order to do that, I had to bump the game up to the next Unity engine. So we're now running on 2022.3.62. We were on like 1.6, I think, before this. So we really did a big jump here. But it was necessary because the App Store needs a certain like privacy requirement thing. I don't know. There was something about the old engine version that was not up to date with Apple's requirements. So I updated it and it is now working. I haven't run into any game-breaking bugs yet. So thankfully it seems to have held up over the transition. Fingers crossed. I did load a backup, obviously, just in case things go south in the future. But beyond that, so now that we've got that test build running, we've got it waiting for approval by Apple. We also have our external testing build awaiting approval from Apple. That way I can have my friends test the game and have them see what they think about it in the current state that it's in. On top of all that, today I went in and I worked on the shop system. So the shop system here, you didn't really have any of this the other day, but now you have the ability to buy characters, which I'm really, really happy about. So obviously I still have my little dev reset page, but over here, if we reset all of the data, you guys can see that you can now actually buy characters on this screen, which I'm super, super happy about because I think that this is a really, really cool addition. Now, obviously, you can buy more gems in game in order to buy more things, but you can buy skins here. So like this skin is 500 gems. I may change around the values a bit as we continue onward into the future and I start actually, scaling the numbers. Right now, there's a lot of placeholder stuff going on. I do think this will probably be $2.99 just because I think that that's a, that's a decent, thing to have. I've never seen that error before, but you know what? We're going to keep moving along with the devlog. Anyway, you can now basically scroll through this menu. You can see all of the characters available to you. If I go ahead and just give myself some coins, then we can go ahead and do this. It pops up a little window for every single one of them. It's their own respective window. Let's say we want to buy my skin. You do 500, and now you have it auto-equipped on this screen. It's all the way down here, and you can equip it yourself, and it will be you on the island. So I'm really, really happy with this system. I'm hyped with how it came out, and I'm really glad that we have something now. It's not utter trash. The shop is starting to look good. So lots and lots of progress done today. I'm tired. I need sleep. I need rest, but that is everything that I have for devlog number 61. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys all have an amazing day, and I will catch you guys in the next one.
Bye-bye.